Hey, what's up, Sassy Gang? It's your girl, Sassy, and welcome back to my channel where we keep it sassy and always classy. So, if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, gang? Thank you, love you. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and help us to check out. You know, trying to get to the subscribers so we can get the money monetized, baby. As you can see at the title of this video, it's going to be my first review on the McDonald's spicy crispy chicken sandwich. Now, I don't know if they have this in all 50 states, but in here in Texas they do. Like, they have the spicy nuggets. I know some people were saying in their state they didn't have the spicy nuggets either, but they have that here. This is new. I've heard a lot of positive reviews. I don't eat McDonald's, so I'm stepping out of my little comfort zone here. So I guess it's gonna be a little mukbang, however you say it. I did make a video today. It's my dad's birthday, February 28th. So it was me unboxing my wig from I Show Hair. So I did have on this dress because it was literally in the morning when I made it. Now it's the afternoon. So with that being said, here's a sandwich. Let me try that. What's that called? I like to dip my fries. Burns my throat. Yeah, I do not drink pop, but when it's getting close to that time, you know, ladies, you know what I'm talking about. I always crave at least one, and I always get a Coke. Here it is. To me, it looks like it wants to be a Popeye sandwich. It literally has the pickles, I guess the spicy sauce. I thought they had cheese on here. I think they were supposed to. But let's see. Let's take a big bite. Okay, honestly, the bread is good. Whoa, they put like a lot of sauce. It reminds me almost like a Chipotle ranch, almost. That's what it almost reminds me of. Let me see. I don't know what's wrong with this one, but I don't like it. Yeah, that sucks 'cause I'm a dipper. Gee, you missing your mouth much? Now, for those people who might ask, is it better than Chick-fil-A or Popeyes? No. But it's not bad. That's how you know I don't drink pop. This stuff, I don't even know how people just be down in pop and stuff. That stuff burns your throat. Give me some water or some juice. That's too grown for me. Pop is too grown for me. This chicken this sandwich is a little messy, a lot of messy. As y'all can see, I'm more of a potato person. I don't like burgers. I just wanted to try it because it was being hyped up on Facebook and stuff. I feel like they try to be like Popeyes and stuff too much. But these pickles don't go with this. To me. Not with this one. Maui, sit down.
Now she ready.
Girl,
how's the chicken sandwich?
you can try it. Y'all want to see how?
Hi, Mama Sassy here. I'm gonna try the chicken sandwich for y'all now. See what the hype is about. Let's see. Here we go. Gonna eat a piece of Sassy Gang's chicken sandwich. From Popeye.
No, that was for your mouth.
Oh.
Right here. You can put it back. You can put it on there. It's okay, huh?
I don't know what the hype.
Yeah.
No. To me, just a chicken sandwich. Get down, Maui.
Yeah, it's just a...
Yeah, it's just a chicken sandwich, so no big deal. I think if I was to go, I'd just go get the fries.
See, I said the sauce is
Just
kind
broke
of
the
like
chicken sandwich? You just broke it? I didn't eat that.
it tastes like a chipotle ranch sauce or something,
No.
and then they
And
do
no
some
makeup.
pickles. I think they thought that was Popeyes or Chick-fil-A. Like,
Nah.
there's no hype to it. So, I'm done with it. That's all I'm eating.
Yeah, it's okay. She eating all them fries.
I love the potatoes. Them fries are
I do
not
too.
that. Yeah. You done with this?
Yeah, I'm done. I think I want just some fries, some hot fries from them. 250 bread.
Great meal.
Great meal. That's what I'm gonna get. That's what I got. Something quick and simple.
All right, y'all. So I will catch y'all another day. Thank you for watching my spicy new spicy chicken sandwich McDonald's mukbang. If you have tried this sandwich, let me know your views on it. Do you prefer it over Chick-fil-A and Popeye sandwich? Do you like it, hate it, love it? Leave down in the comments how y'all feel about it. Bye, Sassy Gang. Thank y'all for watching.